Hey, this is Silent Solution. Today we're seeing how to simple static website upload in nginx. Let's go. This is my Silent Solution here with Linux Cloud related many video. You can see I think you have many idea here for your next career post. Uh, let's go. This is well, first of all we are update update done upgrade also done. This is our Ubuntu 1.24. Let's go now. We are in installation. And then now we're just in installation it. Yeah. Yeah. Almost installation is done. Yeah. Now this is start. Enable. Start us. Start us. Now engine is running. Hierarchy is yeah. Our IP address. Let's go tab. Yeah, welcome to Nginx. Now we are going to how to static website upload in Nginx. Let's go. First of all, we are search page table website download. We are here is any template download. Here is download. We have already downloaded one template. Let's go. Just we have already downloaded here. Let's go download center. Here is our download template. Just copy template. Let's go. Where city here is the file. Here's duplicate. Duplicate. Here is where file downloaded. Our file downloaded. Just if engine is not have apt zip must be on zip installation. Yeah, unzip here. Already unzip this file. Just where mb etc engineer. Yeah, our file unzip is done. Let's go just where here's wall file mb for move one bar www is given. Here we are now going to the yeah, our static website is up now. This is really very simple work. You can see and upload your site. Just a simple website upload. Thanks for watching.